going on? We're getting a light for a driver's side wheel speed sensor. That's the reason why the ABS light's coming on. So we've got the replacement ABS wheel speed sensor. However, on the dualies, can't really access it because there's a lot going on in the front braking system on this vehicle. Quick summary of what's going on is I had to take off the driver's side wheel. My biggest pet peeve with some people, they used to work at a tire shop, they would take off the plastic center cap holders with their impacts and stuff, and a lot of times when they put them back on, they'll put them on with the impact and it'll actually go and crack it, just like it did this one. It's a piece of plastic and these guys just screw in, clamp it down. These don't have to be tight at all, they're just hand tight. And if you put them on with the impacts, or electric impact, pneumatic impact, you name it, what it'll do is on the inside here, it has a little lip ring here that these guys will go in and they'll clamp down. And you can see on the back side here, they've actually broken off this piece, and it will also crack the outside here. There's like a hairline crack right here. That's just kind of a pet peeve of mine. But let's go ahead and take this behemoth of braking system apart so we can get this ABS sensor replaced. Right, so I had to go buy one of these. It's a H38 part number on it, just in case you guys ever do end up having to take the front caliper off of a GMT 400 truck or this generation of Chevy GM vehicle. GM 8190. Goes in the back side here. It's got these caliper bolts. Let's see if we can get this thing taken apart. Alright, got them both broke loose here. This vehicle is going to need some brake pads here soon, unfortunately. I'm hoping I can get away with just pulling this caliper and stuff off. That slide pin deal right there. We'll try and clean it up a little bit. I did take this bracket apart already, just to try and get this brake hose out of my way. Alright, I got the caliper off here. Trying to sit up here for just now. Old Harbor Freight Specials coming in clutch. Clean these up. There she is. That be the guy right there. Try not to put too much pressure on the threads. I like to put on a little bit of anti-seize.
Keep on moving on.